Lloyd after his breakup with Gwen to offer his condolences, connecting for the first time in 2 years. Two awkward childhood friends reconnecting after years actually feels as cringe as it would in real life. The interaction is stilted and hollow, and purposefully so. Harry sees right through Peter's motives, and this drives a wedge into what had previously...
What the fuck? What the hell are you doing? Indicate.
Maybe.
Yeah, no, I'm indicating.
Where are you talking?
What do you want? Where are you going?
The IGA.
Which is
All the way down there.